Saturday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. It's quiet. No generator, no cables. Lights on. Those linemen kick ass. That's all I gotta say. I have never been so grateful. When I took my hot shower today, I had my own shower for the first time in 4 days. It was spiritual. Just a heads up, this might be a little longer video than normal. I got a lot to talk about. Hi guys. Now there's a bunch of happy chickens. They got the light on. They don't have to go to bed at 5 o'clock. God, I'm so used to using the flashlight. Hi, beautiful ladies. It's like they talk about like enjoying the simple things. There is nothing simple. I mean, being able to haul water out here just with the garden hose, turning the water on, turning the light on. Oh, God, it's amazing. What you guys doing, huh? Let's get some eggs. Scoop the poop. So not sponsored. But this Olight, I don't even know what kind it is. If you want to know, I'll just leave it in the comments. I'll tell you. This thing rocks, man. I mean, it's got all the different settings. The battery lasts like 4 days, and I used the hell out of it this whole 4 days. Hi, guys. Let me scoop the poop. I'm here to steal your poop. Okay, that's kind of disturbing. I see 2 broken eggs in here. Yeah, let me figure that out real quick. So I checked their calcium, and the calcium is still good. But we had two broken eggs. That was kind of weird. You guys okay down there? I think it's they think they're still freaked out about the light. Wow. So that's what, 3 plus 2? That's 5. I'm gonna blame it on the light. Huh, Rusty? Look at my Rusty Senior. Hi, beautiful. How you doing? Am I too close for you? Am I too close? Yeah, you're starting to get ready to bail. Okay, I'm sorry. So as you can see, Fred's truck is gone. He went and got a hotel for a couple of days, which don't blame him. He needed to get out and do his thing. He's has his leg missing and diabetic, and he just needed to get back into reality. But the thing is that he paid for 2 days, and the power came on 45 minutes later. But still not a bad call for him because the internet's still out. So this has been really different for my buddy here, Griffin, because it's been dark. Normally you have these different lights on for him to see. The generator noise, he's been sleeping during the day in Wonderland, so everything's kind of changed up for him. But he has spent a lot more time in the house sleeping in with me because just the storm and cold and everything like that. He's kind of coming tonight with me again. So let's talk about the new addition. We have a new friend in our presence, and she is a beautiful, sweet little girl. Hard to see. There she is. She's coming out. Let me get the flashlight on her. So it's work related. Why I can't really disclose like a lot of the details behind it, but she is very small and was not being taken care of, and now she lives with me. So she's gonna have 2 days of quarantine. I gave her all of her treatments, coccidiosis and all that stuff. She's getting her food is getting treated for worms, and you name it, I'm doing it, and she's gonna do a lot better. Yeah, she's already doing chicken stuff. She was talking over here to wow, we're awful close. That's scary. To I haven't been this close to Richard without him trying to kill me in a long time. But they've been talking back and forth, and she's just doing chicken stuff. Beautiful little thing, very sweet. I actually drove with her in my arms and drove her home. It's only a few minute drive, but still very docile, very loving. Oh, here comes my friend. Here comes my friend. Be belated. So there is a problem. The people who helped rescue her named her Goldie. And as you know, my last rescue, her name is Goldie, and she is the same breed. And every time I go and talk to that Goldie runs up to the fence. So there might be a renaming. I just don't know yet. My friend Shannon said and recommended, and I think that would be changed too, is Princess Buttercup. Let me know in the comments what you think of that. Actually, she said Buttercup, and then there was Princess, and I go Princess Buttercup, and I'm liking it. All right, let's see how he acts. I've been trusting him a little bit more lately. You want some more treats? See, now did you see that? I did not get attacked. We're going on about 2.5 weeks of this. He's changed. Something's happened. Bug, 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 bug. Everybody's happy that the light's back on. Yeah. Discombobulated. My green cup is missing. I don't know what they did with it, but they know they get more treats this way. Look at Mama. Oh, she's the corn eater. She loves the corn. So Kathy's still got a round butt, but she's been getting her treatments of the milk thistle and the dandelion root. She seems to be doing okay. Day by day. Yeah, hell, they deserve some extra. What the hell? Let's give them a whole one egg. I'll take it. So I am several days behind on the coop cleaning. Without the lights, the water to clean with, or anything like that. That's all going to be changing here pretty soon. We're going to be doing a new system. Excuse me, little one. Excuse me. Yeah, we're going to be doing something different up here. So with every new chicken, you got to kind of teach them where to sleep. So tonight when I come in to put them to bed at about 8:30, I'll have to put a light inside there, turn the lights off, wait a few minutes and let her go in. It's not a problem. She'll learn pretty quick. Wow, that is so nice, just having the lights pop on. They're still running a generator. Oh no, they're using the backpack blower. Never mind. All right, I'm gonna go pet my kitty. That note, y'all stay safe. Have an amazing life. I am the power's on. Brow.